Already we have come to know that what is a union and how can we use it. Apart from that, what's the difference between a union and a structure? Already we have studied that. So now we'll see how can we use a structure variable or union variable as the member of a union. I'll show you some codes. There we'll see how can we use a structure variable or a union variable as the member of a union. Let's see. Here you can see that we have one union student and it has a member, that is name. It is a character array. So this is our union, one union. Then we have a structure and the structure name is exam. It has two members. One is one float type variable marks and another is one union variable s. Which union variable? This union variable. This is the union student and I have declared this union's variable inside this structure. That means s is a member of exam structure. And what is this s? S is a union variable named student. Then I have declared the second union, that is result. In this union what I have done, I have declared one long type variable roll and one structure variable. Which structure variable? This exam structure variable e. So one thing you just try to understand the relation among these three things. Union student, I have declared this union variable inside this exam structure. Then further I have declared the structure variable inside this result union. That means if I need to access roll using the union variable of this union which I have declared here, I can easily access this roll. But when I need to access marks, marks is inside, actually it is inside this exam structure, and exam structure, to reach to exam structure we have to use the structure variable which is further declared inside this result union. So first I have to come to this result union. There I'll get the structure variable e. Using that e I can access marks. Same thing happens in case of name. When we access this name, what we need to do, actually you see the last union is which one? This result, and result union's variable I have declared here, that is r. So using this result union variable, I'll come here. There I'll get the structure variable, exam structure variable e. Using this e I'll come here, and here finally I'll get the union variable, student union variable s, and using that s definitely this name will be accessed. Let's see. So here what I have done in the main method, I have displayed one menu like our previous program. Then I'm asking for the choice of the user. After entering the choice, according to the choice we'll go for any particular type of action. So if the choice is R, in that case we are entering roll number. Now roll number that was declared inside result union, and result union variable R we have declared here inside the main method. So using R we can go to result, so we can go to roll. So this roll variable can be accessed using this union variable R. Alright, so r.roll, this way you can access this roll. And after that definitely I'm displaying the roll number in the same way only. How to access roll variable? Using that union variable r.roll, this way we can access it. After that, if our choice is N, that means we are going for entering a name. So in that case, a flush stdin, what is the application of this already several times we have applied this one, so you know that very well. Now here we are entering name. Actually name, this variable we have inside student union, but how can we reach here? First we have to go to result. There we will get this variable e. Using that e will go to exam. There we will get this variable s, and then using s finally you will reach here. That means e, s, these two variables will be required. And how to reach to this union result? Using this results union variable r. That means r dot e dot s, then we can access this name. Let's see how it is working. So here we are asking for the name. You see here first r dot e dot s dot name. That means from r to e, e to s, this way will come, and then using s finally you will access this variable name. In the same way we have displayed this name. Now let's see the next case. If the choice is M, in that case we are going for marks. Now marks, that is declared inside exam structure. How can we reach here? Actually first we have to go to result union. There we will get this variable e. Then using this e we can access this marks, because e is what? Structure variable. And which structure variable? This exam structure variable. And how can we reach to this result union? Definitely using the result union variable, which is r here. So that means r dot e dot marks. This way we have to access this marks variable. So here what we have done, we are asking for the marks. You see here r dot e dot marks. So first we'll go to r, then from r we'll go to e, and finally we'll reach to marks. So this way we are entering marks, and in the same way only we are displaying the marks. Up to 2 decimal places it will be displayed. And if our choice is not within this range, among these options, if we don't select anything, if we have something different, that time this default case will be executed and it will display wrong choice. Now let's see how it works. I'm just going to compile once. Yeah, it's okay. I'm going to execute it. You see here the menu is being displayed, where we can easily understand that if we press R, that means we are going for roll. If we press N, we are going for name. If we press M, we are going for marks. So it is waiting for our choice. Say first time my choice is say R. Sorry, first time my choice is R. It is asking for the roll number 670045. So this is the roll number. You see exactly the same roll number it is displaying. Let's run it again. So this time our choice is N. That means we are going for name. Now it is asking for the name. Say the name is this, right? Jaswal. Yeah, exactly, it is displaying the same thing. That means it is working here also. Let's run this program once again, and this time my choice is M. That is I'm going for marks. So it is asking for the marks. Say 78.45. You see exactly the same marks it is displaying. Finally, once again I'll run this one and say this time our choice will be something different, not this R, not this N, not this M. Say my choice is A. We don't have any choice like this in the menu, so therefore it will execute the default case. That means it will display wrong choice. Sorry, I'm just going to run it again. Okay, so M, not M, say A. Yeah, you see, wrong choice. That means the program is showing us the correct output. I hope this is clear to you, that how can we use a structure variable or union variable as the member of a union. Okay.